Hello, this is Andrew with Wiha Tools USA to talk about Wiha's new XXL3 Rolling Tool Case. Wiha has a long tradition of making innovative, safe, and high-quality products that are specifically designed to meet the needs of professionals. Often, professionals move between several work sites throughout the day and require a large number of tools. Wiha has the solution with the XXL3 Rolling Tool Case. The case consists of robust composite materials engineered for durable, everyday use. Maneuvering the case is no problem with top and side grab handles for a one- or two-handed grip when loading or offloading the case. Access to distant work sites is easy thanks to the case's 42-inch extendable pull handle and extra-large 8 3/4 diameter impact-absorbing wheels. The case easily traverses rough terrain and stairs. The XXL3 does more than just carry your gear. The legs can be folded out, turning the case into a stable step stool, seat, or elevated workstation to allow comfortable and strain-free removal of tools. On top of the lid, find V-shaped channels with inch and metric rulers to facilitate cutting materials at the worksite. Need some light? The case features strategically placed metal base plates for mounting your magnetized work light or other magnetized accessories. The case also features an airtight and water-resistant lid seal for protection against the elements, gas-filled lid struts for holding the lid open and preventing the lid from slamming shut, eliminating potential injury. Inside, you'll find over 100 compartments to store your favorite hand tools and equipment, and a large base compartment for storing work supplies and personal gear. Need even more base compartment capacity? You can remove the base dividers in up to 2 panels. Removing a panel is easy. Simply detach from clip hinges near the panel base. Reinstalling is just as easy by simply clipping the hinge back in place. By removing the panels and dividers, you can create even more capacity for your larger items, to include your power hand tools and bigger gear. Wiha's XXL3 Rolling Tool Case is an excellent solution for getting your tools and equipment to the worksite easily and securely. The XXL3 Rolling Tool Case is designed and engineered by Wiha Germany and backed by Wiha's no-hassle guarantee. Go to wihatools.com/XXL3 to learn more.